DJI Osmo Action versus DJI Osmo Pocket, and both come in at the same price point. We have done several videos about these devices, putting them to the test all together. Today we are basically just looking at the vlogging capabilities, and you see all these YouTubers with their big rigs out there. Is it really something you can use on a daily basis? Well, in order to find out, I have sent Toni out just for you. Jens here from All Star Space.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
Hi guys, I have my kids here, Lloyd and Nate. We are on a walk and we are testing the two devices and seeing how they go head to head with my very shaky arms. We're on a Pokemon hunt, seeing how stable they both are. We have the screen on the front of both of them so I can actually see that my head is in frame. We're going to try different places, see how they handle light, dark, and also how stable they are as Lloydie. So I'm going to give it over to Lloyd and see if he can do a jog with the two of them and see which is more stable.
I'm going to jog with both devices.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
There we go, now he's got me. So walking into the shade, it's arm's length on both of them in the shade. It's really quite dark in here actually. Doesn't look it on the camera. The sun's directly above today. And I will turn you around and do a fast walk and see how the fast walk works. Ready? Let's go.
And which camera do you like more?
So there you have it. This was a real life test footage. We did not color grade anything. We did not do anything with the audio. It is really important to us to see what the footage looks like when it comes out straight out of the box. Let me know which one you would go for. I personally would choose the DJI Osmo Action. I think it is a bit more versatile. You can plug it in somewhere, you can put it on your helmet, you can put it in a car. Camera spec wise, it is pretty much the same. Let me know in the comments below, how do you feel about these two devices? Which one would you buy?